Welcome to episode 3 of Epic Coloring Pages. Today we're coloring from the upcoming book called Epic Forests, and as you can tell, these designs are heavily influenced by Gustav Klimt. Let's talk about tools. So for today, I'm going to pull out my Tombow fine liners. I've got my Artify alcohol markers. I've got the very important POSCA gold. I'll probably use yellow, orange, all of them. And as backup, I've got PRISMACOLOR pencils. So let's get started. Well, that does it. Thank you for joining me. Please check the links in the description where you can buy all of the Epic Coloring Pages. Thank you for watching.